Your focus now to some breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. The foundation of an under construction building has collapsed. In fact, a car which was parked at the side has also fallen into a 40 feet pit. In fact, this was, of course, a pit that was excavated for basement parking. Temporary fencing, which was also put up, has also fallen into the pit. These are the visuals there you're seeing from the spot of the collapse. In fact, my colleague Srushti joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Srushti, help us understand what exactly happened here, and also has anyone been injured?
Incident unfolded in Nagpur Ramdas Pet area, wherein a pit was excavated for certain basement parking by a builder. And what comes across is that after heavy rains in Nagpur, that pit caved inside and the soil surrounding to it just eroded, and a car fell into a particular pit is what is coming across. However, no one was injured in this particular incident. There was a temporary tin fencing around the particular area, which was also very fragile, and that also collapsed in that particular pit. However, the residents are now in a angry situation. Also they are scared, is what we are coming to know, as this particular pit was dug in by a builder, and proper safety arrangements was not made, and that led to the car falling into that particular pit. However, another resident whose car was parked just besides that tin fencing and that area, he managed to move his car from that particular surrounding. But yes, of course, it was a serious incident which unfolded in the city of Nagpur. If someone would have been inside the car, this situation would have been completely different, and a person could have lost his life also. But yes, fortunately, there was nobody in that particular car, and no one is injured. But builders and the people who are involved in construction sites, they needs to take proper safety measures, and also checks and balances needs to be done from their end as well.